So full time here at Park Avenue, Aberystwyth Town 4-0. I'm here with double goal scorer Luke Borelli. Luke, must be great to grab 2 on the first ever game on this pitch.
Oh yeah, it was great to grab the 2 goals, but there was a much 3 points needed, 3 points for us. We'll take it into the next game now.
Basically, it's been a bit of a frustrating time in terms of goal scoring, and with everything Bish has been talking about the lack of clinical edge. You've shown that tonight, and you show what we can do in front of goal.
To be fair, it's been hard playing away from home. I think it was 9 games, and thankfully we got the 3 points tonight at home. Hopefully carry on.
We saw there tonight you've already become a fan's favourite within 90 minutes here. You're a crowd of 1,168. How important were they tonight?
To be fair, they were great. Brilliant. When I scored the goals, the young boys, fair play, they were great.
And looking ahead now, we've got a good run of home games now. How are you looking forward to making this place a fortress?
Yeah, hopefully we make it a fortress, take it into the next game now and we get 3 points again and push on from there.
Luke, many congratulations.
Cheers boys, thanks.